I'd like to share this great cable bag I bought for my husband for when he travels. It's a convenient size with a handle. It has quite a few compartments, so it has zippers that go open both ways. The top compartment, as you can see, you place your cables in each of these slots and they fit in here so the cable goes long like this, it doesn't fall out. I mean, there's 5 loads of cables there, different cables here, other pockets for all sorts of things, for your little gadgets and things like that, and the cables and gadgets and adapters, cell phone items, vape items, like cables and things like that. Then it has another wider area, which also opens. So here it has another pocket. Then here it has pockets, but these come off so that you can actually put whatever you want and divide them. It's velcroed on, but it's a bit spongy. It's firm on one side, so there's a board or something in the one side, and there's foam inside, so you can put it anywhere you want to divide, but you're protecting what is in between. This one comes off as well, so all 3 of them come off and you can move them around. The case is really a strong fabric. It's actually, if you listen to that, you can hear it's waterproof, which is very handy, especially when you've got a whole load of cables. You don't want them to get wet at all, so this protects them. It folds flat. As you can see, it's quite flat. It can fit in a suitcase, or you can carry it as is, as a tiny suitcase with all your connectors and cables in. He was happy with it, and I'm happy to have bought it for him. He's used it quite a few times to go away on business, and I know it won't be the last time either. I hope you like it as much as we both do.